Oh my god. I think I think I got scammed. I actually spent $1,000 on these. Oh my god, I think I totally got scammed. Do I get a refund? What the fuck? Oh my god, ew! Ew! It's everywhere! Oh my god, it just ruined my brand new shirt! Oh my god! Fuck eBay! Do not buy needles from eBay! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! My brand new shirt is ruined! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, ew, ew, ew. Ew. Oh my god. 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 Seriously? My brand new shirt is totally ruined. It's all over my desk. Oh my god. Well, everybody, I think that officially confirms that I indeed got scammed. I am going to go get a refund on on eBay for that because that is just actually insane. Like, this makes me so mad. I spent so much money on that. Do not buy stuff on eBay, guys. Do not. Smash like, I guess, since I just spilled Needoh guts all over my desk. And I'll see you later, I guess.